Hi everyone, this is Keegan from National Powersports, and today we're taking a look at this 2008 Yamaha Roadstar 1700 Silverado S. We'll be going through the listing on our website, which you can check out yourself by following the link in the description or going to nationalpowersports.net and searching the item ID in the top left corner. This trike has 4,451 miles and passes New Hampshire State inspection. Scrolling through the mechanical condition report, we can see passes in each part of our comprehensive inspection. This trike has a 14-volt charging output, 5 30-second front tire tread depth and 8 30-seconds of both rear tires. It has been test ridden and runs rides and shifts properly. Our technician noted that the middle drive assembly is making a strange noise. However, this is of no mechanical concern. Taking a look at the service repair order, we put $213 into this trike. You can view the repair order on our website. Because of this trike's age and mileage, we point out everything we consider above normal wear and tear. There are scratches on the trike frame, paint chips on the front fender, and scratches on the saddlebag. There's no owner's manual or toolkit, but this trike comes with one key. It's been upgraded with a Voyager convertible trike kit and reverse. This trike has a clear title, and looking at the CycleCheck's vehicle history report, there are no concerns. This trike comes covered under a 90-day, 3,000-mile nationwide powertrain warranty, and additional coverage is available. We also offer nationwide shipping and financing, and we're always interested in